Today we're going to tour 1211 Ballentrace Blvd. A couple quick details about this house. You're looking at a custom build by Fleming Homes, almost 3,600 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, and this sits in the Ballentrace neighborhood, which is on the north side of Lebanon. For the rest of the details, we're going to take a tour. Stepping inside the home, the first floor contains 3 bedrooms, including the primary suite, 2.5 bathrooms, kitchen, formal dining, utility closet, along with a few storage closets. As you tour the home, enjoy the custom touches, especially the carpentry. Kitchen sports granite countertops, farmhouse-style sink, gas cooktop with stylish vent hood, double ovens, and tasteful lighting to top things. This is the utility room for the washer dryer. As you venture upstairs, you'll find a multi-purpose space. Maybe use it as a study or office nook. There's also one additional bedroom, a full bathroom, and a huge bonus room. I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you know anyone that might be interested in the home, please share this video with them. Check out the link below for the current property status and price. That is all. Thanks for joining, and see you in the next one.